Everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys the YouTube memberships dashboard. What does it look like? So I'm here in the regular channel dashboard, and to get to the YouTube membership dashboard, you want to head over to the left-hand area and go to monetization. And then from here, you want to go over to your memberships tab. If you want to see a video on how to set up your channel memberships, you guys can head down to the description below. I did a whole video on how we set up the different levels, the different tiers of the paid memberships that we offer on our channel. So this is the YouTube channel memberships dashboard, and you can see they have a couple of things here. And the first thing is the analytics thing. So they have it for the last 6 months. We literally just turned this on maybe like 10 to 12 days ago. And we've got 4 members so far. And if you're just new, they'll still have this membership playbook thing. And these are some of the best practices to do on your channel. So there are still some things that I need to do. Things like, create a post about announcing your channel memberships, talking about your channel memberships in your video, adding the membership link to your video descriptions, and then turning members only chat in live stream, which I don't think I'm going to do because I just want that open to the public. And then if you scroll down here, you can see our 4 first members that we've got going on. And it says what level that they're on. We have 3 levels. The first one is Dream Driven Fun, Dream Driven Creative, and the last tier that we have is Dream Driven Entrepreneur. And it just shows you their total time as they are as a member. And then another useful thing is it shows which videos turned into memberships. So this first video that we released, we got 1 person sign up as a member. And then on this weekly mastermind that we do, it's a live stream every Thursday at 6 p.m. PST. We got 2 people sign up as a member on that video. And if you scroll down, it says here, your memberships offer. So like I said, these are the 3 levels that we have. We're in Canada, so that's why it shows in Canadian dollars right now. But to the public, it's going to show whatever country they're in. And here's where you can also edit your memberships. Now, the thing is, when you have someone sign up on the level of your membership, you cannot change the price of that. You can change the details a little bit. You can add some other things, other perks in there, but you can't actually change the price. If you want to change the price, then you'll have to add another level. And if you wanted to get rid of the $199, you would need to delete it, but then you would end the memberships for the people that signed up under that level. So just keep that in mind. So now that we have people under Dream Driven Fun and Dream Driven Creative, we're going to have to keep it at those prices, but we can still alter the details within the perks that we offer. And of course, you can also add more tiers. So you can add other tiers that are in between or even higher. And then as you scroll down, it's going to show you the comments made by members. So they get priority because these are your paid members. So you're going to be able to see what comments they're making on what videos. And then here, you can edit your badges and emojis. These are part of the perks. This is in the first level, which is also offered in all levels. And you can alter these as well. And when you get more members, you have more access to adding more emojis. I need 1 more and then I'll be able to add another emoji. Like right here, as you gain more members, you can upload more emojis and you'll be able to unlock more. And then here is the intro video that we have when someone clicks the join button. This join button right here, that video is gonna pop up. And this is what it looks like when someone clicks the join button. They'll be able to see what they get for each tier. So this is Dream Driven Fun, Dream Driven Creative, and then Dream Driven Entrepreneur. And then lastly here, it has your YouTube memberships link. This is the specific link that you can put in your YouTube descriptions, in your emails, send it out. It's how you can share it as a link. And then down here at the bottom, it says disable channel memberships for whatever reason. If you don't want it anymore, that's how you disable it. Also, I do have to note that when someone signs up as a member to your channel, a paid member, you do not get an email. It just kind of just shows up in your dashboard. Now, if you are doing a live stream and someone signs up as a member, it does show up in the live chat. And I see here we got a new member.
What?
Wait, how do I do this?
Done. That's amazing.
Dawn. There you go.
Yay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dawn.
Oh,
That's
man.
so cool.
Appreciate it so much. So that's kind of cool when we were doing live streams that it showed up as, you know, we got 2 new members in that one live stream. So you can get notified that way if you do live streams, but other than that, it sucks that they don't give you an email and you kind of just have to check in the dashboard. So that is what the YouTube channel memberships look like. We are very excited to offer this on our channel. This was offered when we hit 30,000 subscribers. It's a big milestone for us, and it's a fun way to get your VIP members involved. So like I said, if you want to know how to set up your channel memberships, you guys can head down to the description below. I'll have that video and a whole bunch of other YouTube resources for you guys down in the description. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.